Spare me your judgment, spare me your dreams, 'cause I recently might have been tearing my sin. I sin alone in this sweet clarity which clouds my mind. Alone in the wind and the rain on your left me. It's getting dark, darling, too dark to see. And I'm on my knees and your faith in church it sings. Corrupted by the simple sniff of richest blow, I know you have felt too much the love that you show. But I'm on my knees, so water creeps to my chest. But plant your hope with good seeds. Don't cover yourself with tears and wait. Rain down on me. Look over your hills and be still. The sky above us sure to will. Rain down on me. And I will hold on, I will hold on, oh, I will hold on, I will hold on, hold on, I will 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 hold on. I beg you to hear me, there's more than flesh and bone. Let their bury him, their dead, and they will come and throw. But take the spade from my hand and fill and hold you've made. Plant your hope with good seeds. Don't cover yourself with whistle and wind. Rain down on me.